Okay, so once we have our image transferred onto our block, this is going to be our reference photo, okay? So this is what we're going to look at when we're trying to decide what ink we're doing first and what we need to carve and everything like that. So if my paper is going to be white or black, that's going to be my background and my seeds. So anything that I want to keep white or black, I need to carve that away so that when I roll ink on my block, I don't get any ink on that part. So I need to carve out my background and I need to carve out my seeds. So I'm going to use my marker. Doesn't matter what color of marker you grabbed. I want you to color in the entire section that you are carving out. So I'm going to color in my entire background. I'm going to outline this first. There we go. Doesn't have to look nice, it's just so you know exactly what you're carving and you don't accidentally carve a spot you're not supposed to carve. Now if you wanted to get really creative, you could carve a design in the background. So if I wanted to carve like zigzag lines in the background or something like that, I could draw some zigzag lines and leave those sticking up. So if I wanted to do like stripes or polka dots, you could do polka dots. And I'm going to make my zigzag lines green, the same color as my leaves. Because if I do the same color as my strawberry, they're just going to kind of blend in. So I'm going to make them a little bit thicker because I'm going to be carving around these lines. So I don't want them to be too skinny. 'Cause if you're carving around really skinny lines, they're really easy to accidentally carve off. So you want to make all your lines thicker. And then I'm also going to be carving out my seeds, so I'm going to color my seeds green. If you guys don't want to put a pattern in the background, you don't have to, but it is good practice. So everything that I've colored is going to be the color of my paper, which is black or white. I need to grab one thing before I start carving.